G'day campers and drivers, I'm Jay from Jay and Bash. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Camp and Drive Australia. Today Bash is going to show you an example of one pot cooking on the burner that we used to use before we were regularly camping in the camper trailer. We still do go camping without that every now and then, and this burner has come in quite handy. Bash is going to cook us up a nice camp style lunch, and today it's Souvlaki style chicken with, I believe, salad and potatoes, am I right?
Yes,
Okay.
with tomato chutney and salad.
Oh, fantastic. All right, let's go. I want to see this.
All right.
Do you want to light the stove, or are you cooking? You're cutting first.
I'm cutting first.
All right.
All right. So I not prepared, but I have this chicken breast. Basically, 2 chicken breasts because only 2 of us. So just put the chicken breast over here, and because this chicken breast is quite thick, so I want to cook it quickly and marinate into the meat, so I just make it a little bit thinner. So because chicken meat is easier to use the scissor to cut.
So you're taking a breast there and basically you just
To make it
flatten
it out, yes.
What's the word I'm looking for? Filleting? Are you filleting the breast?
Filleting, that's the one.
That's the one. So these are Bash's go-to herbs and spices when camping and cooking. Over here he's got the coriander, ground coriander. These are not the containers we usually transport them in for cooking. These are our kitchen ones. They're glass. We usually use plastic when we camp. The second is hot paprika. You can use just normal paprika if you like. One of Bash's favourite herbs, cumin. He's always got a bit of cumin around. And you would have seen in our last cooking episode, onion powder, which is pretty much an essential for camp cooking as far as we're concerned.
Yeah. And then we have this, the actual fresh ginger. But if you don't have fresh ginger, you can use ground ginger as well, and then garlic. So I have added teaspoon of each ingredient. And the next one to use is the lemon.
From our neighbour's tree, by the way.
Yeah,
he's kind enough to leave a branch hanging over the fence so that we've still got access to his lovely lemons, because our lemon tree is not yet mature.
So with this important ingredient as well, the lemon, otherwise, whoops, the flavor is not going to be gel together. This is what make it basically easy to absorb as well into the chicken. So we just put on the one side, because the other side we're going to fry first. So while it's cooking, the herbs going to absorb into the meat. So you don't have to wait for like 20 minutes or an hour. They're all just going to absorb when it start cooking.
We're going to have to speak up a little bit now, because this jet burner really fires up. We're going for a high heat with the chicken. Tell us more.
Yeah, so when we start to cook the chicken, it needs to be really, really hot. So the liquids will come out quickly from the chicken. If you cook it with a low heat, it will become like a soupy, because all the meat has the liquid inside it. And also we're gonna give you the nice crisp edge and underneath. So that's what we're doing. So the other ingredients that make the flavor quite distinct is the ginger and the garlic. The garlic also is important in this. So just probably about, not much of ginger, probably maybe just about 1 centimeters, about that.
And how many cloves of garlic?
And then garlic, I love garlic, but it's entirely up to you how much you want. So you can get rid of it if you don't like garlic. So I use 3 cloves of garlic. Okay.
So Bash has just turned the chicken. It's beautiful and caramelised on the one side.
And we need to turn down the flame now, so it'll cook through the whole chicken.
On our little jet burner. It no longer sounds like we're at an airport.
Exactly. Now we just leave it until it's cooked. Now I've prepared the other ingredients. One is done, and I will cook the tomato chutney with the other ingredients. Smells good. I'm just going to check if it's cooked or not. Let's have a look. It's cooked beautifully, actually. You can see now. I'm just going to put it on the plate.
Looking good.
Now there is still a bit of oil left in the pans, so we just use it to cook the rest of the vegetable ingredients. So we put the onion first until fragrant, and then the garlic and the ginger. Smells really nice already, actually. If only you're here. So basically, you don't need to add any more oil. So the leftover char from the chickens actually give extra flavor. So this now safe. The smell is really good already for the onion. So we can now put the tomato.
And this is all still on a medium heat.
Yeah. Because we don't want to burn the onion. Alright, so the tomatoes are in. And now we put the rest, the capsicum. We'll leave it for a few minutes until it's flavorsome. Now once the all ingredient in, you can eat it just with the chicken, or I actually have potatoes that's already prepared before, because it took a while to cook potatoes. So either you can have it with steamed potato or rice or anything. So I'm going to put the potato that I already basically prepared into the vegetable. We just put it in, so basically to warm up the potatoes.
Did cheat.
Yeah.
Okay, these are, I thought he was doing the potatoes here, but the potatoes have been fried at home, which is good. It'll speed things up for us because, you know, I'm a slim guy. I need some filling.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's looking pretty damn fine, actually.
Yep, and then we just cover it so it cooks faster. In the meantime, we slice the meat up. It's basically done. Now it's ready. Let's try the chicken first. Nice. The good thing, even I didn't put salt in it, it's already delicious. So that's the other thing. And the vegetable, fantastic.